Hello mga kadiskarte, this is another episode of updating, okay? I'm gonna show you, this is another update. I'm gonna show you an improvement of our sunroom here. Anyway, to all my subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing my channel. Please keep sharing my videos to others, please. It's bump up a little bit, but I need more. I got for now I got 160 subscribers. Please, I want at least a thousand, you know, so we can get something from, of course, YouTube. Okay, please continue sharing my videos. Please like and subscribe my channel. All you need is Google account. Of course, it's free. You can sign up a Google account. It's free, and then yeah, you can subscribe my channel in YouTube, right? And then of course, please help me. I need more, at least 1,000 subscribers. Okay, this is the upgrade now. This is the update. The deck is done. Okay, here, this is the deck. This is a composite decking. It's so far as I know, this is the expensive materials for decking in this time of this market. Okay, and then this is the aluminum railings. It's nice. It's rust proof. It's aluminum. Very nice. The color too, it's combination with the gray. Yeah, look at the side here. Yeah, see, it's nice. It's nice to look. Oh my goodness, it's not a bias. Okay, it's not a bias because I'm doing this. No, but it looks nice. The materials they want to use, right? The more money is, the more elegant to look, right? Of course. And the lights outside is done, and I'm still waiting for the 2 window here, because this is a customized window, so that's why it takes time, because they are so busy right now because of the the hail, the hail damage how many months ago. That's why they're so busy. It takes time to make this kind of window. Okay, but the other side is done. The 5 window is done. I installed already, and I'm gonna show you later on how to insulate this the gaps, right? There's a gaps in between the window, of course there is, so I need to insulate this gaps just to make it close, because it won't create a moisture, or the cold air can go inside. So we make sure we're gonna insulate in between the window, around window, right? Yeah, I'm gonna show you. Okay, I started the insulation already. Look at the insulation in the ceiling here, and the lights here. I already run the lights. This is already powered, and all I need, if the drywall done, I just put it there in the ceiling, attached to the drywall, right? So look at the outside light. It's really bright during night time. This is the switch. Okay, I installed just 5. Look at this, 5 lights, 3 in front here, in front of the deck. I got 3 lights. It's gonna be bright. Even you're gonna stay here during night time, during summer, you can stay here in the deck. You're making a barbecue. Oh, it's so nice. And then there's another 2 in here. in the corner here, and the other one over there in the corner too. So the siding is not done because I'm still waiting for the siding to arrive, because this is the special order siding. It's not available ready to go in the market, so this is special order because of the color. And now they said to me maybe this coming 18th of December, but yeah, I'm still waiting, and then that's why it's not done yet. It's look nice if you're gonna go farther here. Yeah, this is it. This is the small extension of the house. This look nice, right? Not bad, not bad. And then underneath there, I need to cover with that. She said to me, just cover something that we can access. You know, the lots of small animal can go there. Okay, so I'm gonna close that one after everything done. Look nice. I'm really excited of this. It takes time because I'm alone. You know, I'm alone. Imagine that I'm alone. I'm doing this for myself. You know the stairs, I got a leftover from there, so I use it here, and now it's look nice too. And now I'm gonna show you how to insulate this. I feel warm already. If you're gonna close this, I feel warm already. It's different than outside, of course, yeah, because this one is already closed. I'm just waiting the two window to arrive. So I take time. It's okay because I'm using the insulation, very thick insulation. Look at the insulation, how thick it is. This one is I think 6 inches. Okay, look at this insulation. Oh wow, see, 6 inches thick, very thick. Look at it. And then all here covered. And this one too. This is the skylight here. Yeah, this one's covered around the skylight here. And now I'm gonna show you how to, you know, insulate the gaps between the window and the wood. Okay, I'm gonna use this kind of you know, spray. It says here touch and boom. Okay, if you're gonna click this one, or this is like a trigger, right? It's come out with boom. This is like a watery inside. See? If you can hear that. And then shake it. It says here shake it before you know, before you use, right? Okay, look at this. Window and door sealant. And there's a picture here. Okay, then I think you're gonna shake it. And ready to apply. Okay, if you can see, very low pressure. I don't know if you can see this. Very low pressure. It's hard to see, right? It's hard to see. So I'm gonna make it close if you can see this. Oh, so look at the boom. Okay, right? I'm gonna make it close. Okay, you can see that. see that? Yeah, it's very low pressure, but it's okay. See that? Just go around the window here. Then you can clean up it, you know, later. There's a gap between the walls and the wood. You need to put something in between, right? Yeah. Look at it works, right? Yeah, sealed everything, the gaps, everything in between. Nice, this one is nice. You can see that still coming out. Yeah. Until it gets empty. Okay mga kadiskarte, I'm gonna show you this. Okay, this is a good, you know, a good one. I'm not using the trigger, so I just using a direct method. Okay, see, look at that. See if you can see that. I'm just pushing this container, right? Then look at the boom spreading inside. See? Okay. Inside here. That's a good one. Really sealed. Okay. Shake. Right there. This is the last one. And now it's almost empty. Okay. Yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, I think that's it, guys. Yeah, I gotta wait when it's dry, because you need to cut the excess you know, insulation, right? Just cut it with the cutter here. Just wait until it's dry. Okay, then very easy to cut. Just use the cutter. And then after the insulation, you're gonna install the moisture barrier, like the plastic that I'm using outside too. Yeah, plastic, so you can cover with plastic, and then on top of that you're gonna install the drywall. Then after the drywall, you're gonna put the mud, a cupboard in between the drywall and the holes, make it smooth, and then you can paint with primer. After the 2 coat of primer, just the finishing, you know, color whatever they like. And after that, the baseboard around the window here, maybe 3 inches baseboard is gonna look nice. And baseboard for the bottom between the floor and the wall to cover the gap. And I think that's it, right? Yeah, but the problem now is I'm waiting for the door. I don't know when, but they said it take another a week. That's what he said. So nothing I can do. I'm gonna wait, right? Okay, this is steel. You need to put the insulation here, the foam insulation. I'm running out. I just bought 3 and then it's all empty. Now maybe additional, maybe 2, I think, between this window, 2 window and the sliding door. Okay, now I'm gonna move to the insulation. I'm gonna put the insulation from there on top and then to the ceiling down to the wall. Okay, I'm gonna show you how I install that insulation. Okay, the 6 inches thick. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you a one bundle of insulation. It's only 6 insulation here. If you can see the measurement here, see, this is so thick, and then 16 inches in between on the center of the wood. That's why if you're making the framing, it should be 16 in between, right? 16 inches from the wood, center of the wood, to the other next wood should be only 16 inches. Okay, I'm wearing mask because just to protect myself too from this insulation. Small particles gonna fly and then you can go into your lungs and you're gonna be sick. Okay, yeah, only 6 here. So I'm gonna finish this. I'm gonna show you. Let's see this side here, then we're gonna measure. Okay, the width, just measure the width. Okay, this one is 10, only 10, right? And then give allowance maybe a half inch, let's say 10 and a half. It should be fit exactly from this from wood to wood, right? It should be not really tight, but it should be not loose. I'm gonna measure 10 and a half. Okay, this one is a 10 and a half here. 10 and a half, 10 and a half, 10 and a half, right? Then just cut it with using a knife, your cutter. There. Flip it over, and then hit the mark. You can roughly estimate. There. See, got it. And now put it here. Or maybe I can gonna start up there, right? Just like that. Put it sideways and push. And you can push. Okay, there. And just pushing it on the side. Wow. Okay, there. Okay, that's it. Yeah, so easy, right? Very easy. Just push it. Not really tight, not loose, so the cold air can't go inside. Remember, this is a 6 inches, very thick. Then one more, the same size, right? And then there's a wire, okay? And then there's a switch. This is a little bit tricky. Okay, how? You just cut the wire in between here. No, not cutting the wire. The insulation. Okay. Remember, just clean inside. Okay, there. Okay, that's it. There. Then the next one. There's the sweets. Okay. It's nice, and this one here is still, you can use this one over there, you know, the small tiny space. Okay mga kadiskarte, hanggang dito na lang po. Tingnan nyo, malapit na ano ito, malapit na matuyo. See? O baga sa Bisaya, malapit na, right? Yeah, so I need to cut this excess foam insulation. Okay, and then putting the barrier, the plastic barrier. And then for the next update, I'm gonna show you how to install the drywall. Okay, see, look at this. It's getting hard now, but it's not that dry. Yeah, I need more time. Okay, until next time mga kadiskarte, remember, this is not for me, this is not for myself, this is oh my goodness, this is to, you know, to the people who needs our help. Okay, back home. Thank you so much. This is another episode of Madiskarteng Tatay, Jack of all trade, expert of none. See you in my next update. Bye bye.